Bring it up and I'll do one.
Now you better be brave this time, Mom.
I could be brave on a little hill like that.
Right, I'm coming up. No, it's really hard to walk up.
It is?
A little bit.
Oh, that'll be the hard part, me walking up it. Uh-oh.
All right, Mom. Oh.
Oh, I'll probably go farther than you.
Yeah, since you're fatter and you're heavier.
Oh, thank you for noticing.
All right, Mom. Take the old girl down.
Take the old girl down? Are you
Yep.
talking about the sled or me?
The sled.
Okay, thanks.
Well, you better be good.
Even still, I think it's a little scary. It's a little scary for me.
Be brave, Mom.
I think we should put the camera back a little bit. But let's make sure it's pointed in the right direction. Because I may not be able to do this more than once. Where is the sled? Oh, there it is. Okay.
I'll help you down.
No, wait. Don't pull me down.
I can do it. Mom.
I don't have sweats on either.
Just be brave, I told you.
Seriously?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, I'll try it like this. I fell not very long ago, remember?
Yep.
Okay, I think I should scoot back a little bit.
You fell down like a mother. Here, I'll push you.
Careful of the camera tripod.
Oh,
What, you can't push me? I'll do it.
you gotta help me. You're scooting.
Okay. Whoa, okay. Whoa. Okay.
You're on your way,
A little
Mom.
scary.
You're on your way.
That's kind of fun.
Georgia. Oh, I think that was my old buddy. Let's forget you. No, it's okay. I can do it.
But now I'm going to be cold. And I'll have to walk home. Oh yeah. Definitely not easy to walk back up. Walk sideways. Like this. Yeah, I got this ledge up right.
Rather just hike up. Thank you.
Yeah, I don't know if I can get back up here, Patrick.
You got a hiking stick, I don't.
Huh?
Ah.
Yeah, you're gonna knock me down too.
Ah.
Let me go up here.
I can't get back up, Patrick.
There goes my hat.
There.
Whoops. That'll be my one and only time going down that hill.
I can't get up, Mom.
Oh, my knuckles. I hit my knuckles. Ugh. Here, let me check myself in the mirror. Just kidding. Notice how Mom's running down to help Patrick up the hill? Mom barely made it herself. Oh, he did it. Okay, you can go down one more time.
What?
One more time if you want. Ooh. You're not going to go very far if you're not scooted back on the sled. Well, that's it.